So our new Erebus magnet's on the back of this grader here down in Blandford, Blenheim. And we've just gone up and down the road. We did two runs with the grader and one run spreading. And we've collected a few nails off this place, obviously. So we're just gonna clean this off and see what we got, and I'll show you how to clean it off. So there's latches on either side of the sweeper that hold this new aluminum sleeve on. So these just are retained by little studs on either side. So both of these gotta be flipped, just like that. And then there is a linch pin that holds the wheel on. So that's gotta come out. You can stick that right on top of the magnet if you want. And then there's a little spacer that has a hole drilled through it. And your linch pin actually goes right through that hole, and this hole lines up with a hole on the axle, or I guess wheel bolt, what we call it. And then your wheel comes off. So once you got all the latches pulled up and the wheels popped out, there's a nice little grab handle here for you to pull. So that comes out so you can pull it up nice so you don't have to bend over the whole time pulling it. And you just slide her out. Now you don't have to take it all the way off the end. It's actually easier just to leave it here, because a lot of the time the nails that are on the back of this sleeve are just gonna pop back onto the magnet. So from here you just pull everything off with your hand if there's excess. And it also will prevent any, leaving the sleeve on a little bit will prevent any nails from actually flipping onto the magnet housing, which will cause, pain when you're trying to put the thing back together. So there's our nails we picked up, and then to put it back on, just reverse the process. I mean, you can pop this in or out, doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna pop this in and just slide her on just like that. The steel handle goes over this little retainer. Pop your latch back on this side. Pop your latch back on that side. Throw a couple nails out of the way here. And then the order goes wheel, bushing, and then linch pin, which this one kind of sucks, but this will work. So then you put your linch pin in, try to line up the holes. It's always tough to find the hole sometimes. Happens to a lot of us. There you go. And you're ready to keep going. So we'll get Brian to pull up here with the power stick, pick these nails up, and then we're going to continue going.